What's up, guys? AK with DCC train using side camera. All right. So you're probably asking, crazy Russian showing again complicated stuff. I tried my best to explain how it's complicated. So this is conversion, solid 9.5 out of 10 complicity of MTH. This is -9, and the same construction in the AC ES44 AC. So this HO figure holding the path plate near the nose, and those are ditch lights. If I flip it, then these guys going LEDs through those holes, and then assembly on top. All right. The complicity of first, it's very tough just to get that board out. In one model, it was some kind of CA. The other model plate glued with kind of gooey stuff. Those are not terrible. It was some kind of just type of cement, plastic glue. If not, I need to take everything, completely scrape everything, and use regular surface mount LEDs on magnet wires, installing them in assembly. Those are nano LEDs, and I love them. They color very like sunny white, great color. MTH did great job to find the right parts, except means the decoder was always kind of obsolete to me. No, now it's history. Hopefully scale trains will take care of. The construction of the engine is just great, so I'll try to demonstrate. So if you have an S or CSX, the ditch lights will be alternating. So I have just turning them on in different functions, and if I blow the horn, that's the result. Common blue right now. I'm not talking about what is it, negative, positive. That will be confusing more. Let me turn them off, and they are independent. That's it. So I'm getting a lot of questions, how complicated. I tried to do videos like how I'm soldering everything like this, but it's already like inch from here. It's getting like out of focus. So maybe I need like some kind of microscope or something. But again, it's just, you see the idea. Good soldering gun, good solder, good flux, and a lot of patience. So thanks for watching, supporting business. If you want to support channel, there is Patreon page in the description, and you can join membership. We really appreciate it. Thanks again, and have a good one. Bye bye.